yenya 11-13 omutena fie e Estadio Ciudad de Valencia wo shemye no ema Sevilla team no wo entimante eno achi Rayo Vallecano fie wo sheba ko ema Espanyol wo so entimante Real Oviedo etena fie wo ene Villarreal ebo 1-1 we Manchester Anra eba so Spanish La Liga num afre uko Germany DFB Pokal Anra semi-final 2 eba so na Anra de ten say VfB Stuttgart wo tena fie echemye nu ema Freiburg team no wo ete ekanu bako enti make us 2026 DFB Pokal final I set nyame aduma May 23rd Olympian Stadion Berlin 7 o'clock p.m. Saturday no Saturday FC Bayern Munich wo any VfB Stuttgart ebo no pay de wunsem tifonya show no so afa nyame aduma matches eba so Europe no yebenya RB Leipzig Germany wo Union Berlin ebebo afa okọ France Stade Brassois fie wo mo Lens afa Napoli trafie Serie A num wo Cremonense ebo na afa uba England Sunderland a Stadium of Light woman Nottingham Forest enable after the tense uko Spain nyame aduma enanmre Real Betis etnafi woman Real Madrid enable sangin ensemble mene wonsem erebebre telefonia show no so after yentos way na yan first stories nibi informa telefonia show no so na me kaipa enjai any be story enema se uko Barca woman brand telefone Lamine Yamal akwana kwakopra na Barca last game omowo no ena Lamine Yamal against Celta de Vigo woko ekopla na andro ana Barca wom koye test na medical report Barca ede baye no wom se boy no akonya hamstring injury ne left leg na chese ne nai bonkum no ena Lamine Yamal akonya hamstring na Barca for ne say boy no Barca matches akabia no season we no wontimi emobi chese Lamine Yamal season Barca over nemum good news and must Spain woman national team and say Lamine Yamal be available and must Spain yami adon world cup eba so no and exam kakra free Barca woman say and eba na Barca akabe se 5 matches be na omabo games ni La Liga no nyina awie na unim say Lamine Yamal se oni Barca na Barca entaha mukura asan se na omumbani bo asani na onim said this season Lamine Yamal wa miss 6 matches wa makes no Barca awe ne makoma ko 5 na omalo suba ko pe wo mo se Valencia wo mo se Newcastle United wo mo se Getafe wo mo se Real Oviedo wo mo se Slavia Prague na omulu su ye na Sevilla eti no Lamine Yamal Barca no problem boys na akana be adwuma na andro IG ena Lamine Yamal ede message ede ban say prana wa prano ha ne pa na mo odobi biase wa send message ede ma ono Lamine Yamal no wodobi biase say obi asane ne sam message no ne mo do betima ka ene se season de na nkompese obepra na wagidi pa se matches aka no na nkompese oni ne teammate Barca wo mo fight se de bia wo mewie La Liga no in star esa La Liga no de eko dia enim se Barca fon ene beje edi esiom na so nim Lamine Yamal se obeba stronger na oba more desire than this season nyame aduma next season go bia nhwe ono Lamine Yamal eno message anro Lamine Yamal edi baye na no pay no jere update emetifonya show no so na okọ Barca yenim se enye Lamine Yamal nkwa ene pra hafia wono so ebra nim hafia de no jeme se kasi nyame aduma free next week ekono hafia eba training Ciudad Esportiva di Juan Gampa we be set training ase ede ama Barca for say omo next game ombebo no wo ne Osasuna na next week omo ne Osasuna ebo bia wo mo hwe say abrantia fancy afin abeba esan 10th May Barca ebo Real Madrid Spotify company eno mo hwe ni mo say afin ebe available ede ma Barca eno injury update Barca ene na no payede wonsem emetifonya show no so na ye ka injury wonsem no uko Liverpool yenim se Hugo Ekitike wono so akwakopra na de me se kan se na no Saturday no ena Hugo Ekitike wono so acquire surgery na surgery no acquire no London na de me se kan se surgery na wo be amante fa se Hugo Ekitike ne surgery no Jesse Oko Boston Celtica, Wumi NBA team, Wumu player be a friend Jason Tantum, one also Echo Rapchane, Achilles, or tendon, one of your last year, and when you saw injury, now when you saw injury, a surgeon, one of Echo. Abran Chefense Hugo Ekitike ne surgery ono ena yeman yesu onimajuma pa enti ono ena akoye Abran Chefense Hugo Ekitike surgery se boy na de me seka ene se obetrafi best 10 to and I say 8 to 10 months wontim emobo informative from se Liverpool and no pay de wonsem emati fo na e show no so na ye ka work up wonsem no yenim se enchakra junior na e chase o Mexico United States of America and of Canada na final game World Cup ebeba so MetLife Stadium New Jersey 19 July and on side game ebeba so na yase woko FIFA official resale and of exchange marketplace the TSSA website one once a final game no woman dia to say obia opetekiti bia no wo betimi atodie na omo for city bi MetLife Stadium seat no ba ku bia bo $2.3 million sika penny wutia no ba betrans no hwe bi na South for city no we say oka ne bo nyina boma ebema $9.2 million and I say FIFA phone ebaje e de agombo tom na bibia kama e de amom na ya ka work up on sem no say uko United States of America yenim say omni Iran womote ado anwoma so esansa me kai pa 28th April and I said 28th February rather 2026 year and the United States of America woman launch Operation Epic Fury Iran ni say almost Iran for no one person nuclear weapon na United States of America almost say omuntias here Emma Iran omunye Emma de me say kan cross Andra eba say special envoy Edma Donald Trump what the proposal eba say the situation asi akwakoye no enka on person Iran edi omufu work up num na omodi Italy mino e press omo e ma si Italy phone e cancel da bi wo mu antima qualifier wo bi anya no mu ntrafi e sanse on person on qualify na omu qualify e ko work up na o Secretary of State Anima United States of America opinion fence Marco Rubio say Jobetimaka and say woman see Iran Libyan coin say ahwe wa ma United States of America am a World Cup no say oka Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps I friend say R and I say IRGC ho a wo hwe bia enye na IRGC wo mo ana ya soja fo a wo mo ewo Iran enti yedina mo visa wo be hwe bia enye esanse untima na wo me on kokoti bia ewo US wo mo jiwa enye eno Secretary of State and my United States of America Marco Rubio and some kakra wadi atuja yenko Chelsea esanse yenim se Chelsea team no wo mo apam omo manager je France Liam Rosinia and Juman Ediama under 20 wo mo manager France Callum McFarlane na Manchester aka Chelsea woman a season no Callum McFarlane one enable Ediama team je from Chelsea na Andra o first training Cobham yankwai we Callum McFarlane Tamani training session Kosu Cobham na good news Edema team from Chelsea and say Andra Joao Pedro were returning the last 2 games at Chelsea abono Joao Pedro entimi mobi nyame adon Sunday Wembley Chelsea and Leeds United FA Cup semi-final Joao Pedro nyame say cancer boy no wo be available at my team je from Chelsea na uko Chelsea ya say insider wo say Chelsea players no division abam essence players ni bua ebesi na omugidi e pan say ekwanya empanifo no efa so epam manager je from Enzo Maresca no wo madwen enye ebi musugidi e pan say manager na de ana say oye manager dia e bepam etisi epam manager ama ne kwa e wo say Chelsea team no wo many players no wo mu focus say de be ya team no ebenya results and division as say e wo Chelsea team no na yes Chelsea wo mu senior players no aka champion for say omunim say yebo season wi a Chelsea any new manager ebeba nim enye manager bia keke and omu players and omu pe wo mu pe manager wo experience manager or presence or dressing room home manager sabi wouldn't some na catch on say jaya ubetima jai and no propose a Chelsea players no woman propose Ediama Chelsea woman haraik na and none of payaronsem and Matthew El Shono so now say question is after Enzo Maresca ever see Liam Rossinia so a wine and a bad next Chelsea woman manager German second 6 managers here maybe boy woman bako and a bad manager Ediama Chelsea say BBNC Xabi Alonso Julian Nagelsmann Andoni Areola Cesc Fabregas Marco Silva and Felipe Luis 6 managers say BBNC or Chelsea Mubako and next season we Chelsea manager and I update a free Chelsea woman say ever now young Manchester United it's a United team no woman so any permanent manager Michael Carrick one why entering manager and Manchester United now Monday you see meeting ever so Carrington now Sir Jim Wycliffe one Michael Carrick woman meeting no now meeting no yenyan hu ye film bae nyom ye se dewe mu si che any nkomodie dewe si koina and say opinion a fan say Sir Jim Wycliffe ya convinced Sir Michael Carrick wobetuma adwuma as permanent manager at Manchester United na ye say adie kra United for no amani agi Michael Carrick on kra say ye say manager no dewe a wo si individually ni training esiko dewe a wo si ni boys no edin komo enu ni attitude they are also to turn normal they are a tactical approach ACTA they are one personal relationship AC Eco Camano and Manchester United telephone whom I convince Michael Carrick waiting Aya Jumano my Matthias Delate one of Eco Praye where centre back at Manchester United na Matthias Delate Andra our current young say was training I say Nemo Man United for say Omo Rational almost a boy no rehabilitation kama nemo omunya to se ediamano afi na boy no waba grass ne so a wa chance ebobo nemo timeline and na no progression so enti a chance Man United enyam to se edi ama Matthias Zereta and no pay ya wonsem emetifo nya El Shono so na okọ Real Madrid afi de ya se Vinicius Junior contract no obesan na am se o ma agree bibia aka small details na official communique aba se Vinicius Junior and Real Madrid renew one contract minimum still Real Madrid one say Kylian Mbappe one in the Bajisika Cassia and from Vinicius Junior was standing the contract at Real Madrid no Abrantiam Jafan say Kylian Mbappe one in the highest paid player Real Madrid and I'm a pay the update telephone El Shono so ukon Liverpool make us Liverpool one first and second choice goalkeeper woman in April essence George Mamadashvili and of Alisson Becker woman in April you say team from say Liverpool woman Crystal Palace and able weekend way now the men say can say Fred Woodman Sankran and a better goal post room at Liverpool name and slot and I'm a player na pre-match press conference about so and so to say George Mamadashvili boy no obey available if you nyame antuma next week echo name Alisson Becker one also ever returning when say Liverpool team no one more Crystal Palace we are one next game one call Old Trafford one Manchester United enable a big game into Liverpool say Abrantia fan say Alisson Becker will be available at the Man United. Now ye can Liverpool no yen say Mohamed Salah yebo season here also echo now Liverpool recruitment no woman say one woman here winger we Pessy woni mirika tupa winger wajibo 101 obetwen Luis Diaz ne type of player and be in a Liverpool woman say omope na omo say sa wingers bisa no won ebeboa ama Alexander Isak and Florian Vet womatimi ahubon so na obi anim say Liverpool RB Leipzig omo winger na fa na Yan Diomande won in a Liverpool for say omope name of the tense RB Leipzig womo asking price 85 £25 million ɛno ɛna ma Liverpool for no wɔn twetwe ɔmo nan ase na ɛnya Liverpool for nko ɛnɛpɛ your other teams a ɔmo nyinaa ɛnya abranteɛ fan sɛ Jan Diomanda wɔn nyinaa ɛpɛ ne mom Liverpool for no gidi yɛ pan sɛ ɔmo betumi negotiate ama abranteɛ fan sɛ Jan Diomande wɔbɛsina ka ɛnyɛma Liverpool ɛno ɛyɛ update a free Liverpool wɔn nso ɛba na ɔkɔ Bayern Munich na Vincent Kompany wɔbɔ adwuma paa masa akɔ free Burnley ɛba no yɛn nyinaa ka sɛ no mom koe ne mom wɔ prove obia wrong last season wɔgye Bundesliga ɛna ma Bayern Munich this season already ɔmagye Bundesliga DFB Pokal nyame yɛ adwuma 23rd May ɛwɔ Berlin wɔne Stuttgart anasɛ wɔne VfB Stuttgart ɛnɛbɔ na afei deɛ ɛkyɛn sɛ Champions League no so no wɔdu semi-final ɛkyɛn sɛ Kompany ɛyɛ adwuma paa na Vincent Kompany press conference aba so na Kompany sɛ ɔyɛ na ɔtaa te sɛ nkɔfoɔ ka sɛ Bundesliga no emu ofo enti na Bayern ɛgye ne saa no na Kompany say andra wo hwɛ semi-final DFB Pokal between Freiburg and Stuttgart no wo ba gye to sɛ Germany quality no soro paa na one day example obetima ka and say for the past best 5 years in say Premier League team bi best player and say quality player Bundesliga no mu and oba fa quality player just a top talent Germany na andra player bi te sɛ Mozambique Suzuki and Bilal El Kanous bona omoboy no sɛ Germany quality players into success Germany enyefo eno aya Vincent Kompany and the Sansan Atuja Nasser Al-Khelaifi one and president and my Paris Saint-Germain Nasser Al-Khelaifi say we are saying we make a decision I make here now the best decision on the life and so our appointing manager Jefferson Luis Enrique now Luis Enrique there on any share the same philosophy manager edu bia ne bufu nemom eniyema wogidi e pass manager no say what they team from say Paris Saint-Germain about back-to-back Champions League semi-final na ode bia Paris Saint-Germain a special team no Chelsea manager Francis Luis Enrique when he madwuma pa eno Nasser Al-Khelaifi na Richardo ni wie no Marcel Desailly a legend Edma Chelsea Marcel Desailly
okay
Marcel Desailly say watena sidin a Chelsea team no na ne assessment is simple.
Okay.
1 Chelsea ni goalkeeper. 2 Chelsea ehia renowned center back.
Okay.
Center okay renowned center forward.
Okay, enimi ho no. Obeshe go no.
Yeah.
Okay.
Obeshe go no.
Send no cre.
Na o say we dey make up andra. O say center back o individual brilliance. Udru ani mo anya coach na baka chen say da bi dey say.
Okay.
On say play bi say Hurricane.
Yeah.
Udru ani mo no obobo na sha.
Oh, instant no.
Of course. O say Chelsea hia center forward sa. Ena omu hia center back ono so quality.
Okay.
It's not say Chelsea back line.
But nin say me nyina so spot on.
Was it Wesley Fofana?
Chelsea goalkeeping problem. Center back ho problem ho. And the money more cry there.
And you cry.
Cry.
It's center back one. Wesley Fofana. Oko France center back on Tosso Makumako 4.
Fofana no.
Se Saliba tuno.
Okay.
Opamecano tuno. So what I say?
Yeah.
Omunyina tuno.
Yeah.
And was in fee for ground so ye.
Okay.
It's not say Yakoto Enzo Fernandez ba say one Caicedo mepe. The most say Chelsea intimation goes in no.
Ono number 10. Okay. I see.
It was a critique tactical chaos.
Kaish.
E team no.
Wa Chelsea wa bobo pe you. Marcel Desailly wa Chelsea look. Ball no about to the highest level. Enti the observations now why they are Chelsea won so dey spot on. Pe. When you na kama. All right. Enti and the Costa you dance no pay benimati phone na no dance ene adwumaso abo enso etimi edi amai in 4.5